Good morning YouTube and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Devin Niemela. I have a huge passion for cars, mainly import vehicles. As you can see behind me, I have my Mitsubishi Evo, currently building the wide body FRS. My passion extends far beyond vehicles. As you can see, I have my beautiful 2010 Yamaha R1. This was literally my dream bike for a while. 2 years ago, I had my 2008 CBR 1000. I've always wanted to try out the R1, so all year I've been looking for an R1. I couldn't find one at the beginning of the season, so I picked up my Gixxer 600. Then I found this beauty. It's a 2010 Yamaha R1. It's a Valentino Rossi edition. Absolutely love the bike. Been riding it for about half the season, and I'm kind of just getting sick and tired of it, so that's what this whole new YouTube series is about. It's about me changing up this bike exactly how I envision a perfect Yamaha R1 to be. I'll be doing a full Graves exhaust system, getting it retuned, full new body work, maybe changing the color up on the wheels. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tag along. The very first episode of the R1 build is just going to be me tearing the bike down. So I've actually already sold this whole bodywork off this bike. The tank, all the fairings, everything off the bike. It's already sold. So I got to peel it off the bike, get it all shipped out. The new kit has been ordered, so I'm super excited to get that in. Exhaust has been ordered. So that is going to start the build. The first thing we are going to do, clearly the bike's disgusting and dirty. It's been sitting outside for a few weeks. Unfortunately, it's been outside. So I got to give it a quick wash, and then we will be on our way to tearing this thing down. All right, enough of that. Let's get to work.
One, two, three, drop.
Here's what she's looking like now, guys. Pretty damn sad looking. Now we just have to wait for all of the new bodywork to get here. But for now, I'm gonna head downstairs to the shipping room, get all of the Rossi Edition plastics mailed out to the new owner. Now here's what all of the bodywork looks like off the bike. This is everything for the Valentino Rossi Edition. Got a tank right there. But yeah, that is exactly what I am sending the new buyer. Let's get it packaged up. I'm gonna go ahead, get this kit dropped off at FedEx, get it shipped out, and simply just wait for the new kit to come in. I know this is way different than what you guys are used to seeing on the channel, not a car build at all, but I think it's pretty relevant to cars, you know, street bikes, cars, same concept, they're all fun builds. So if you guys enjoyed this video, first of many to come of this R1 build, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, really hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.